Hey y'all, it's Nisha Babii and Happy New Year. If you want to see how I stretch my natural hair out with no heat, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I start off by sectioning in all fours, and this is what it looks like when it's a little bit dry after wash day. And I just like to go back and spray my Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco in it, because that thing works wonders. I mean, it strengthens and shine, and guess what? It's a leave-in conditioner, so you can leave that thing right in. So as I'm applying it, I like to do the praying hand method just to make sure it is really touching each strand. I mean, no strand left behind. Okay. Step 2, I like to go in with a good oil, and when I tell you this Black Fairy Grandma's growth oil is the truth, I mean it. So you want to get it on your hand like so and rub that bad boy in, but before you do, make sure you section your hair off. Step 3, of course you already know, going in with the Hair Goes by my twin sister Butters by Nick. Cop you some, because the hair growth is real, and I just like to go in and add that in. And if y'all haven't caught on by now, I'm doing a lock method, so it's a leave-in, oil, or cream. And you might be asking, well, why is this step so important, Nisha? Why? Let me tell you. If you want length retention, honey, do not, and I repeat, do not skip this step. It is very crucial, imperative, okay? Do not skip it. Always do your lock/LOC method. And now that important lesson is out of the way, you just repeat the same steps that I've done on the first section. Well, still the first section, but the first twist that I did. So that is still the first section, but I am working my way up because the hair is thick in the middle. Thick. Now, I really wanted y'all to see I am concentrating on the ends, because the ends have been there the longest, okay? They've been with you from the beginning, and they need extra tender love and care. And for those who trim their own hair at home and have a little split ends, but they're not too bad, but you don't want to cut off too much, I would recommend, now I ain't no hairstylist, but I would recommend that you really focus on getting all the products on the ends of your hair as well. Not just the scalp, but the ends. And this will help out. Of course, still trim your hair regularly when it needs to be trimmed. Not every 6 or 4 to 6 weeks. That is a myth. Don't do that. Do it when your hair tells you it needs to be trimmed. But yes, that is my little tip of the day. So now that I am satisfied with my moisturizing process, and yes, it's a process, I get a scrunchie and I put my hair in a ponytail, just that section that I have applied the lock or /LOC method to, and I make sure it's secured, not too tight, because you don't want a headache. And I'm going to plait my hair down like so. And just like that, we're good. So I have 1, 2, and 3 more sections to do, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. We are almost there. So now you see my 4 sections with my hair plaited down. And the next thing I'm going to do is get my same growth oil, Grandma's growth oil from Black Fairy, and apply that on my edges, because we got to stimulate that, as well as down the parts and all around my head. And this is a perfect time to give yourself a nice scalp massage. And if you don't have a scalp massage, you could just use your fingers. Now pay very close attention as I purposefully put the applicator for the oil directly inside the ponytail, like in my scalp. Like, you really want to make sure you touch all bases of your scalp. Like I say, no strand left behind. So just put it in there, and trust me, when it comes to that scalp massage, you gonna thank me, okay? You're going to thank me if you haven't already been doing this. As you see, I have my scalp massager and my bobby pins. Now these bobby pins are the truth, because I'm pretty sure you kind of have an idea, but I'm going to put the hair on the other side and clip it like so, to make sure it stays elongated throughout the night, because I did apply a lot of products. And I'm just going to do that for each plait. Oh my God, like, this is heaven. You don't understand. Okay, y'all, let me stop. So now I have my Gucci scarf, and pay attention to how I like to roll my scarf. I like to roll it one more time just to give it that extra oomph. And I just place it on my head like so. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to put on scarves, but if you want to do my technique, it ain't a big deal. You can, and if not, it's okay. I ain't gonna get mad. You know, it is what it is. All right, y'all, easy peasy. Now before you go, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you're not left behind. See y'all until next time. Bye.